everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, and I just wanted to hop on here and say hey to everybody. How are you doing? How was your week so far? How was your weekend? Let me know in the comment section what you're working on today. I actually just started our Halloween costume, so I'm super excited to share some tutorials with everybody. I have 8 different crochet pieces to make for our Halloween costumes. If you haven't seen it yet, we are going to be the characters from the storybook Where the Wild Things Are. I'm so excited to do this because it is our whole family now, all 3 of us, Nasser included. We are making these costumes based on that story. That's going to be the inspiration for this year. So I can't wait to share these tutorials with you and just dress up and have a great time on Halloween. Halloween is one of my favorite times of the year, favorite holidays, and we just get to dress up, eat a ton of candy, and just like have a lot of fun. So I can't wait to share that with everybody. Nas is going to be Max from the story, and I'm crocheting like his entire outfit. Cute little crown, a little onesie, cute little slippers, so I can't wait to do that. And then Nate and I are actually going to be the wild things. We're going to be like the monsters of the story, so I can't wait to do that either, because these are going to be like big hats, like really exciting, different embellishments, and just a lot of different textures, which is going to be a lot of fun to work with. And I can't wait to share it all with everybody here, so stay tuned for those tutorials. I'm going to be crocheting about 8 pieces, so, and then I'm going to be thrift shopping for the rest of the pieces. We have like shirts and pants and things like that we're going to be thrifting or crafting without yarn. So I'll be sharing how I'm going to do that too, with the help of my mom, of course. She helps with a lot of the designing of the projects and with creating some of the things that are not crocheted, so I'm really excited to do that with her. And other than that, big announcement just came out yesterday, Tuesday, which was Yarnspirations. If you haven't heard of them, go to yarnspirations.com, browse their website. They're super fabulous. They actually just took over the Red Heart Yarns, so that's really exciting. Congratulations to them. Red Heart Yarns is super fabulous yarn, but now Yarnspirations is kind of the parent company over a few of these different yarn brands. So there's Red Heart Yarns now on yarnspirations.com. Then there's Caron, you know, Simply Soft. I love that yarn. Then Peyton's, and there is Bernat, which is super popular. And then one more, Lily's Sugar and Cream. They have a lot of cotton yarn, which I really love to use. So there is all kinds of different yarn brands on yarnspirations.com. So you can shop yarn and you can get some super fabulous free crochet patterns on yarnspirations.com. I was going to say YARNutopia, but it's yarnspirations.com. They now acquire all these yarn companies, and that is so wonderful. It's like one big family, and it's awesome. So check out yarnspirations.com. And I'm looking over, Nas is taking a little nap right now, so I'm just looking over at him. But I'll show him soon. A lot of people were asking me to show him in the video. I'll show him very soon. He's growing so big, and he is really chunky and just adorable. And he's really funny, so he's smiling so much, and he's just wonderful. So I'll give you an update very soon on him. But one last thing, last week I actually shared that I got my wisdom teeth removed, and they didn't put me under, they just pulled them out because they had protruded. But I ended up with a dry socket, which I do not wish that on anybody, because that was one of the worst pain feeling ever. And so I ended up going back to the dentist, and he fixed me up, so now I'm feeling a lot better. But that was my weekend. That was this past weekend. I was just basically suffering with this horrible pain. But it went like up into my ears and down in my neck. Oh my goodness. Dry sockets are the worst. If you've had one, you know what I'm talking about, but good thing that's over, and the mouth actually heals very fast, so I'm able to talk fine and we can get back to tutorials. But I didn't have a tutorial this week, so hopefully by next week I will have a new video tutorial out for everybody. So that is really all I wanted to talk about today. I hope you all have a great rest of your week, and yeah, please share with me what you're working on. Oh, and if you have ever crocheted for Halloween, please show your photos in the comment section on Facebook. YouTube doesn't allow comments with photos. I don't know why, but go on my Facebook and leave me a comment to this video of your crocheted Halloween costume. I would love to see them. I'm so inspired by everybody, and I just cannot wait to share with you all our new Halloween costumes for 2019. So stay tuned, and until next week, happy hooking!